Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Quiet and dry right now. It's after dark tonight, and especially closer to about 9-10 p.m. that we have to watch for the first raindrops to come in. And it's looking pretty likely that it will fall as freezing rain. Here's a live look at Muskegon. Even spots like Muskegon could receive some patchy freezing rain showers overnight tonight. So for that reason, we have a winter weather advisory that expands across a good portion of West Michigan. Just because a little goes a long way when it comes to freezing rain, it does not take much at all to create a sheen and to completely eliminate friction. Those of you that have had to walk on surfaces after freezing rain know exactly what I'm talking about. Temperatures right now are sitting in the 20s. This is an ideal setup for freezing rain to fall and then stick onto surfaces. If it's too soggy out, too humid, too warm, then even if freezing rain falls, it won't stick. But what we have right now is a prime environment for accretion. So if we look at satellite and radar, especially the radar component, you can see that we already have freezing rain that is formed in places like Illinois and Indiana. Upstream earlier today in Missouri, it did cause some travel difficulties. So this will continue to spread north into Michigan tonight. And again, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock is when we could start to see it begin to move across the Indiana state line. And closer to midnight is probably one of the best chances for us to see it spread north of I-96. Now, if you live in Ludington, Big Rapids, you're likely going to be staying quiet and dry overnight tonight. But everywhere south of that, at least a light glaze of ice is possible. Places like Kalamazoo and Battle Creek have an even better chance of seeing some actual accumulation stack up on trees and power lines. We're not expecting a full-fledged ice storm, but there could be some pockets of 1/10 of an inch of accumulation, which is enough to weigh things down. Now, looking at 4 a.m. on Thursday, there's a good chance that some of this moisture will start to pull away. And by 10 a.m., we expect freezing rain to be out of here. That's why our winter weather advisories expire at 10 a.m. tomorrow at the latest. From there, Thursday actually gets warmer. We bounce up into the mid-30s. We see the winds pick up. So the afternoon is going to feel warm and windy. Well, warm is a relative kind of term, warmer than today. But winds gusting near about 50 miles per hour are hypothetically possible at the lake shore. Into Friday we go, things calm down, so we get a little bit of a breather day. But again, travel-wise, overnight tonight, 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. especially, it could be really dicey on roads south of Grand Rapids. That is until the plows can get on out and treat some of those side roads especially. Here's a check of the freezing rain futurecast. A few hundredths of an inch possible, Muskegon over towards Ionia. And then looking at the 8-day forecast, you can see that we have snow chances Saturday into Sunday. That looks likely to fall as just pure snow, hopefully. A little bit of wintry mix is possible, but some accumulation, solid accumulation Saturday, Sunday in the form of snow. So we'll get through the ice, and then we'll watch for the snow. A lot to talk about always in West Michigan during winter time.
And I know today is National Weather Person's Day, but we love and appreciate you every day.
You too, Blake. Phenomenal team. Yeah, Blake is just off screen. We have just the best team here.
I love you guys.
We love you guys.
Yeah, we love you back.